Ever wonder how billionaires buy jets, yachts, and mansions and still pay $0 in income tax?
Wait, they're rich and broke at the same time? How does that math check out?
It's called buy, borrow, die. You buy an asset, like Tesla stock. You borrow against it, take out a loan instead of selling it. And then one day you die. And the taxes die with you.
Wait, loans aren't income?
Exactly. Loans aren't taxable, so instead of selling shares and triggering capital gains taxes, you just use your shares as collateral and take a massive line of credit. Tax-free.
But they still live like kings?
Yep. They use borrowed money to buy homes, fund businesses, even private jets. No taxes, just interest. And when they die, their heirs get a step up in basis, so the gains vanish. Poof!
That's not tax evasion, that's a cheat code.
Nah, Stewie, it's tax strategy. Just not one your CPA ever taught you.
So Elon's house is paid for with a loan backed by stock?
And the IRS can't touch it. You get it now, son.